How to make money online. When I read about making money online, most sites it always seems as if it's a little bit cheesy or some type of link hacking system that is not too good to be true. Now, it's a powerful feeling. I want you to experience that, but it takes knowing how to do it and the right way that will serve your vision and support others. Number one, teaching and training. This is one way of making money online, and a lot of people have been doing it for the past years. This is something that almost everyone university have been doing, taking their classes online due to huge success that they saw from Oxford University of Phoenix, which sets the tone for online education. It is easier now more than ever for companies and entrepreneurs to launch online schools. And my good friend is a prime example of her mega success, the B School. To offering a service, providing a service may be the best and easiest way for you if you don't need any investment to get this going. And a lot of people have been doing it is by helping podcast creators edit their show, and also there are many ways to provide services. Just any kind of service that you think you are very good at, you should go ahead for it and teach people whatever it is that you are very good at doing. Thereby, if you know how to make hair, you make people's hair, your friends hair, your family's hair, and they pay you. If you know how to sew clothes, if you know how to cook, you know how to clean, any kind of service you are very good at, you can go ahead and start providing the services and let your money be entering into your bank account and your bills are being sorted out. Three, creating and selling products. If you have any expertise in anything that you can produce, you can create snacks, hair products, cosmetic products, t-shirts, trousers, fashion items, anything, perfumes, drinks, wines, alcohol, anything that you think you are very good at and you have an expertise in anything, you can produce it, package it. It can even be a book. You can do it into a book, a course, a software, audio program, DVD, and so on. The best way to get the word out is sell this product, and you can also sell it with webinars, seminars, and online advertising so that you can reach a larger audience who will turn out to be your potential customers. Number four, membership site and community program. Another champion that I've had lots of people making money today is that provide useful and specific information for your community. The community thrives on your wise direction, and then you get paid for it. If you hold a YouTube channel, you can offer them membership or continuity. You can give them exclusive content. They have to pay. They have to become members. Anything on the social media, you can create a YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Then before you give them your content, whatever quality content you are giving, they should pay for it first. That is what a lot of people are doing, and they are really doing it, and they are making a lot of money. They are sorting their bills, and it's helping. Number five is affiliate marketing, and people have done an incredible job building websites, developing outstanding searchable content, and selling other people's products on this site. So you get any commission on anything that anybody buys with your affiliate link, and then so there's no way you don't have to create your own product or build anything. You just have to go out to others and check out people products, and you help them market it, you sell it, and you get your money. So sign up today on any affiliate link, the Amazon, the eBay, any affiliate link that you think is good for you. Don't forget to search for various affiliate link and check the one with a higher percentage, and then you go for that one. Also check for the ones with good or bad review so that you don't end up losing your money or after you have worked so hard. Number six is building a website and selling ads. This one is something that is so good, and if you are very good at it, you are going to make billions from this. Building a website and selling ads. If you have large followers like Facebook followers, YouTube followers, Instagram followers, then you have built a website. You have to, if you think you want to go and build another website, I don't know, but social media to me is a website where a lot of people meet. So if you have a lot of followers, all you have to do is let them advertise their stuff with you and they pay you. You can decide to charge $10 per advert and they can advertise as many times as they want. So it depends on how much you want to charge. But if you have large following, charge people for advertising with you. Number 7 is selling sponsorship for branded content. And someone generates over $5,000, $50,000 monthly by selling sponsorship on their podcast and writes about what it does. So you can do this via podcast, developing a niche website, and even a video show. Create branded content around your passion and find sponsors that will be attracted to your audience. That's way you can be selling sponsorship on your podcast, on your videos, and you'll be making your money and you can be able to sort out your bills. So yeah, selling sponsorship for branded content is a very good way to make money online this year 2023. Also, for number 8, we have events. Creating and promoting events, either online or offline, can be very profitable as well. Does both online summit in the same event with thousands of attendees, all while starting out from the simple blog a few years ago. That's how people do now. There's this guy, a popular MC in Nigeria, MC Bankara, who started his own reality TV show just from regular Facebook followers. He now has his own reality TV show, and people are really, really watching, and is making money from it every single day. Number 9, masterminds and coaching. An inspiring change maker. Also, he runs the and has been going coaching, treating exotic location all year long that sells for high ticket price. This can be done either online or offline. So what you have to do is book for mastermind and coaching. If you have anything you think you can teach people, go ahead and teach them and coach them, be their coach. They'll pay you for consultation, they'll pay you to learn whatever it is they want to learn from you, and you charge them. But as a beginner, it is not even advisable to charge high amounts of money. You can reduce the money you are charging per time and then just continue. Number 10, getting creative. If you want to use your online platform to make money, you can be getting creative. You can do anything creative. You can produce your own t-shirts and now sell it. There's this iwearyourshare.com. He now sells his last name for nearly $50,000 every year because he gets sponsors on his page. Even a new book help to envelope what you can earn by being creative.